What's up guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs coming at you with a Krietz Customs build. Now if you have a newer body style Chevy that you're looking at building, look at this build right here. Krietz Customs just got finished building this 2019 Chevy 1500, and this is that new body style, so it does open up the fenders a little bit more than what the classic body style does offer. So Krietz Customs did add the 6-inch Rough Country suspension system on this vehicle. We went to strut spacers, but Rough Country does offer some different options like the lifted struts as well as the Vertex coilover, so you guys have some different options. Coming down to our wheel and tire package, this is going to be your Fuel Blitz, a 22x12 -44 offset. So it does stick out past those fenders a little bit farther, about 4 inches. So keep that in mind when you guys are doing your build and you're looking for wheel and tire packages. Your tire down here is going to be the Nitto Grappler, a 35/12/50/22, and this is their hybrid tire. So this is going to be the mix between an all-terrain and a mud tire. Best tire in the game, most popular in the game, so you guys want to get your hands on them quick because they do sell out fast. If you guys like this build and you're ready to build your Chevy 1500 new body style, you guys can click the link in the description, or you guys can take advantage of our 0% financing options.